If you've ever felt that, oh, I would want to create a channel, but then I believe that this channel or this particular niche I might want to venture into has been populated, then that is not it, guys. Once you have 50 subscribers, it allows you to go live. And once you can go live, you can easily build your watch hour to get to the YPP stage. Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always sticking around. Thank you for not unsubscribing. Thank you for always engaging in every content that is being uploaded here. I am super duper grateful. Thank you for being with us back here this year 2026. So this is me saying a very big happy new year to every subscriber, every new subscribers, and also to those that haven't subscribed yet and are planning to subscribe very soon. Happy new year to you all. So guys, I came here to share with you important updates. Okay, this is basically to those that are planning to start up content creation in this year 2026. I know how content creation can be to content creators that are already making it so big, to those that have already built a name for themselves. Guys, if they begin to tell you how they started, you yourself wouldn't believe it because it is not an easy thing to do. That's the very simple truth. It is not easy. If anyone ever told you that content creation is easy, well, maybe it was easy for them, but guys, trust me when I say content creation is a very big deal. Okay, it's not just about setting the camera and sitting in front of the camera and saying all you have to say. Do you know that it is a very big deal for most people to sit in front of a camera and start talking? It was a big deal for me, but with time, I got over it. So this is me putting it out there to you that you can actually get over anything, any fear at all. So the fear that has been holding you back in 2025 should not hold you back in this new year, 2026. I hope I'm clear, guys. So I want to share with you 5 reasons why you should create a YouTube channel in this year, 2026. I have the pointers here and I will be reading it out from my phone as I couldn't jot them down properly. All right, so stick with me as I share with you 5 reasons why YouTube should be your number one social media platform this year 2026. Guys, welcome back. So let's dive right into it without wasting much time. So the very first one on our list is YouTube is still one of the very best long-term income platforms. Yes, guys. YouTube, I don't know about others, or I wouldn't say I don't know about others, I do know about them, but I can tell you for a fact that YouTube is still one of the very best income platform for the year. How do I mean? In 2026, YouTube goes beyond ads, like ads revenue, it has brand deals and sponsorships. I will be explaining them with time. It has affiliate marketing, selling digital products or services, channel memberships, and super thanks. So the first I mentioned was ad revenue. Now that is the main source of income in the YouTube platform, right? Where I don't know if you are very conversant on YouTube platform as an account, not a channel now, right? You go through let's say for instance Nollywood lovers or movie lovers. When you click on a particular movie you would want to watch, and the first thing that pops up is an ad. That is the owner of that channel being paid for you viewing it, for you clicking. Okay, that ad you're seeing there is a means of paying the owner of the channel. Do you understand? So that is ad revenue. That is how YouTubers get paid on the YouTube platform. One of the ways, right? But the ads revenue is usually the big one, right? So the second I mentioned was brand deals and sponsorship. As a YouTuber, right? I'm talking to you now as a YouTuber because I believe after this video, you're going to make up your mind and create a channel today. As a YouTuber, and as you grow in this platform, in this YouTube street, you're going to have access to brand deals because advertisers, brand owners are going to look out for you. They're going to reach out to you through your email because definitely with time you're going to have a contact email where people can reach out to you. So as an owner of a YouTube channel that is established, that is grown, right? You can advertise for someone, you can advertise for a brand. They probably send in their products and want you to review it. You have to use it and then you tell the audience, your community, what you think about the product, be it a good or a bad one. It's usually a good one, of course, because I mean, nobody would want a bad review on their product as long as it is a good product, right? So that is what I mean by brand deals and sponsorships, right? Then the next I mentioned was affiliate marketing. There's something called affiliate links where it's how do I put it? It's a give me, I give you kind of thing, right? So you have a downline. Your downline automatically is your community members, right? So you have an affiliation with a company, with a brand, right? And they give you a personalized link where your viewers or your community can click on that link and get a slash. Let's say, for instance, the product is 100% sales, right? But because that particular customer is coming from your community and using your personalized link, right? So it gets an automatic slash, right? It gets an automatic slash. So either 20% cut, 50% cut, depending on the brand and you as the channel owner, depending on what you guys discussed, right? There must be an agreement, right? So that is it about affiliate marketing. I believe we all know what affiliate marketing is. But there's selling digital products or services, right? YouTube also makes it easy. There's something called shopping. When you get to the monetization stage, you will see that you can actually earn too from shopping because YouTube allows you to place a store in your channel. If you have a business outside of YouTube, you can put your products online. There are ways to register it. The major one is Shopify. You can use that platform to upload your product on the YouTube shop, and your viewers, your community, or even people that are not subscribed to your channel yet and are interested in what you sell would definitely come through, right? That is it about selling digital products or services. Then there's also channel memberships and super thanks. This one is the super one, right? Channel memberships is where how do I put it now? Your fans, right? You can allow different subscribers have closer access to your channel, right? That is channel membership. You can, if you have a favorite, let's say for instance, you have a particular YouTuber that you love to see his or her content, right? So you come across their channel and you would want to be the very first person to know when this person has uploaded on his or her channel. There and then you have to subscribe to that particular person's channel membership, right? There are different prices. So you now as a channel, as a YouTuber that has a channel, right? You can now create channel memberships for your community. They are different grades depending on how you want it to be. Then there's also something called super things. Now in that channel memberships, yeah, the subscribers have to pay a certain amount to become a member, a full-time member of your channel, right? It gives them early access to videos, royalty badges, probably call outs, depending on you, however way or whichever way you want to treat your subscribers. And there's something called super thanks, super chats. This is how they gift you to probably when you're on live stream or they just love your work and want to appreciate you, right? So that is it about channel memberships and super thanks. I'm trying to make it short so as the video should not go longer than it should be, so as not to bore you guys. So small channels can even earn if they have the right audience, and that is true. YouTube rewards consistency and value. Just have the right audience. It's not just about having viral videos. If you've been told before that before you can blow up on the YouTube channel, then you have to have a viral video. Well, that is not entirely true. YouTube rewards consistency and value, right? You really don't need 1 million subscribers to make money. Have 50 subscribers to go live, right? That live stream can actually build. Now, this is me going out of what we're talking about, but then let me share it to you. A very quick tip. Once you have 50 subscribers, it allows you go live. And once you can go live, you can easily build your watch hour to get to the YPP stage. Okay. The next reason why you should create a channel in this 2026. Number two, people watch more video than ever, right? Video is now how people learn, how people relax, and how people make decisions. From tutorials to reviews, from lifestyle vlogs to finance, beauty, business. You know, there's a lot of things to watch on YouTube. If you feel that, if you've ever felt that, oh, I would want to create a channel, but then I believe that this channel or this particular niche I might want to venture into has been populated, then that is not true, guys. Trust me, no matter how much you feel that particular niche has been populated, there's always somebody, there's always a lot of people that are waiting for you to upload your own video, because your video will definitely be different from those ones you think have actually populated or saturated the environment in that particular niche. I hope I'm clear, guys, because most times we feel, oh, I want to create an entertainment niche, maybe lifestyle, for instance, right? And at the end of the day, you be like, I see a lot of lifestyle channels, how to do this, oh, how my day went, OOTD, and the rest. Guys, yours is different. Nobody's going to wear the same clothes you wore, or probably the way you wore it is definitely different from the way another person wore it. Do you understand? So there's a lot to do, right? If someone is searching for how to start YouTube, daily routine, how do I make money online, and you have a video on it, YouTube would definitely recommend you for years. You see why it is important you start now, so you can get recorded in the YouTube algorithm, right? In the YouTube search history. No matter what happens, there are lots, there are 1001 videos, more than that. I'm just using this as an explanation, right? There are 1001 videos on how do I make money online. But every of that 1001 video has thousands of views. Now you might be wondering, okay, the person that actually looked for how to make money online, why don't you just stick with the one video you saw, since it is telling you what to do and how to do it? But that is to tell you that different ideas from different people, you now bring it together. So no matter what you do, do not ever think that your niche has been saturated or your niche is populated. You are different, you are unique in your own way. So this is more reason why you should create a channel today, right? People are waiting to see what you have to offer. Now, the third on our list is YouTube gives you visibility even if you are unknown. This is the truth, guys, the biggest truth of the year. You see, YouTube loves it when you are consistent. YouTube loves it when you are always present. They will give you that visibility. That's why we have short, we have the normal videos, we have the live stream, right? You don't need fame or followers to be seen. Now let me explain. Unlike some platforms where only big creators win, YouTube allows you to be yourself. It helps in pushing your content out. It helps to recommend more channels. It helps to give old videos new life, because you will see a video popping. I don't know if this has happened to you. You will see a video of 7 years ago. It pops up on your FYP, and you'll be like, 7 years ago, I didn't even search for this. How is it here? And people will click it. You even go through comment section and you'll be like, you see people saying or typing that if you saw this video so date, give this a thumbs up. Stuff like that. I believe you've seen something like that. A video you post today can start getting views 6 months later. Like, you post a video today. This has happened to me. Videos of a year ago, automatically it picks up, even becomes the most viewed in my algorithm, my analytics rather. So guys, that's powerful for beginners who feel invisible. Like, if you think, oh, my videos are not getting views, not to worry, do not stop, just keep posting, right? YouTube is definitely there to give you that visibility no matter how small. The fourth on the list here is you can build authority and opportunities, right? In this 2026, having a YouTube channel can allow you position as an expert. It helps you trust people. It helps people trust you faster, and it brings speaking gigs, collaboration, clients, or job offers. Now, what do I mean? Position you as an expert, right? When people come around your videos and see you talking, just as I'm talking, some people will even be like, oh, this person is well experienced. Oh, this person talks like he or she knows this, he or she knows that, right? Just that little knowledge that you have shared to the world. I'm using the word because you do not know who is watching you. You do not know where YouTube is going to push your video to at the end of the day. So why don't you just start? You can build authority and opportunities. Now, speaking about opportunities, it gives you speaking gigs. Someone might come across your videos and be like, oh, I love the way this person talks. Not minding that you have 2 subscribers or 5 subscribers. Oh, I love how sorry. Oh, I love how authoritative this person speaks, and the person would want you to speak for his or her brand, would want you to advertise for his or her brand, right? now and gives you job offers. That's automatically a job offer, right? Because you guys will have to discuss, oh, what are you going to pay me at the end of the month, or whichever way you want the payments to come in, right? So many creators get opportunities not because they are the best, but because they show up and teach or share consistently. Now remember, consistency on YouTube is paramount. It is important. It is not something you can overlook. If you're not consistent on this YouTube space, then trust me, creating a YouTube channel means might look like wasting of time, a waste of time for you. You really have to be consistent as you create a YouTube channel in this year 2026. Now, to the very last, not the least, now that's number 5, there is still space for new creators, just like what I said earlier, right? It is not populated. If you've ever thought it is populated, you were wrong, right? There's still space for new creators. YouTube is crowded, but it is not saturated. Now, let me explain. Yes, there are many creators, but there will always be room for new voices, fresh perspectives, people explaining things in a simple way. I love this explanation, and I believe it is self explanatory to everyone that is currently watching me. Your story, your accent, your experience, your mistakes, someone needs that version. Your story, your accent, your experience, and your mistake. Someone out there needs that version. They have gone through a lot of videos and they're still not getting what they are looking for. You might be what they are looking for. So why haven't you started today? Now I feel like I'm talking like a pastor. If you wait, someone else will tell a story for you. And I believe and I know that you wouldn't want that. So if you've been thinking that, oh, I would want to create a YouTube channel today, this is your cue to start one today. Don't know how to create one? I have a video that will teach you how to create a YouTube channel. Always remember, YouTube account is definitely different from a YouTube channel, right? Once you have a YouTube account, you can definitely and automatically create a YouTube channel. You just go to your YouTube homepage and you see create a channel. Then you go on with the descriptions, the um every details that is expected of you from that particular homepage. You fill it in, and then you have a YouTube channel. To make it more easier, click on the video that you will be seeing by the side, right? That will tell you how to. That will show you how to create a YouTube channel. Right, 2026 is not too late to start YouTube. The real mistake is waiting until you feel ready. You can never feel ready enough. You just have to start to begin, right? So guys, I really do hope that this video was helpful to everyone that came across it, to aspiring YouTubers, to aspiring content creators. This is not just for YouTube, but this is me trying to speak to you and tell you that YouTube is still one of the very best platforms we have in the space. Alright, I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching till the very end. If you've watched to this very end, meaning you enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. And do not forget the most important thing, click on the subscribe button, as this will keep you updated in every video I upload on this particular channel. Thank you for sticking around, thank you for the love, and thank you for agreeing to start a YouTube channel. I can't wait to subscribe to your channel already. Please guys, do well to start a channel today. Time really doesn't wait, so do well to generate your channel today. Have a blessed day. Bye guys.